In the morning, we went to an oil palm plantation.
It looked quite a bit different than the rainforest. All the trees seemed to be about the same size.
We began testing our hypothesis. Beth set up the ground survey and looked for animals. Then, we measured the circumference of a palm tree trunk.
Curtis used a flexible measuring tape to go all the way around the trunk of the tree.
It was 7 feet 5 inches around. The circumference of the palm tree trunk is a bit smaller than our standard for a big tree.
Next, we measured the height of the tree.
We used a tangent height gauge to sight in the top of the tree. We measured to the top of the trunk. Palm trees don't have branches.
It's important that the gauge is level to get an accurate measurement. This kind of gauge is level when the string lines up with the mark. We needed to keep the gauge level and move back and forth until we could see the top of the trunk through the sight on the gauge. We didn't measure to the top of the palm fronds because those are just leaves.
It was time to measure how far we were from the tree trunk.
It was 17 feet away. Next, we measured the distance from our eyes to the ground.
5 feet, 6 inches.
Then we added those two measurements together to get the height of the tree.
It was 22 feet 6 inches high. The palm tree is a lot shorter than our standard big tree.
And now,
It's time to play
Mystery Marks.
Hint, it is a primate. Beth saw something in a palm tree.
It was a black-banded squirrel. I wonder what's in its mouth. Curtis found some interesting fruit. It was palm oil tree fruit. This fruit gets squeezed to make palm oil. Palm oil tree fruit grows in big clusters like this.
We did not spot any more animals. On the way back to camp, we passed a truck carrying oil palm fruit. It was taking it to the mill where it would be turned into palm oil. This is a palm oil mill. Palm oil is in many things we use every day.
Well, we've come to the supermarket to see if we can find things that have palm oil in them. Let's take a look.
Peanut-covered candy. Yep. Potato chips. Yep. Potato chips in a tube. Yep. Roasted cashews. Yep. Honey roasted peanuts. Yep. Seaweed snacks. Yep. Fish crackers. Yep. Oreos. Yep. Crackers. Yep. Frozen fried chicken. Yep. A chocolate drink mix. Yep. A coffee mix. Yep. A can of sardines. Yep. A cup of noodles. Yep. Creamy peanut butter. Yep. Instant tomato soup. Yep. Cat food. Yep. Bar soaps. Yep. Baby lotion. Yep. Candy bars. Yep. Crab crackers. Yep. This cooking oil, 100% palm oil. So yep.
That is a lot of palm oil.
Later that night, we went back to the palm plantation to see what we could find.
We came across a golden orb weaver spider in the leaves of a palm tree. They eat insects they catch in their web. Spiders are not insects. They are arachnids.
We searched for a long time, but didn't find any other animals, so we went back to camp.